Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation, with a platinum unboxing. Yes, we are going to unbox this platinum. It's a special piece. Quite indeed. It was something that I've been wanting for quite a while. And so we're going to cut down into the package here. And you're not seeing it, but it's happening before your very eyes. And this is from APMEX. And of course it comes sealed. I was hoping it would come inside of their blue boxes that they send, but they didn't do that this time. So we will remove the contents therein in such a manner that we can see the contents. Alright, we pulled it out there. Had a coughing fit I had to deal with. I don't want you to have to experience that, so I paused the video there. Here we go. Very nice. This is a Proof Platinum Eagle from 2005. Little janked up box there, which is unfortunate. From APMEX, 1 ounce. There it is. 2005 Proof Platinum Eagle. Let's take a look at that coin. Very, very nice. And the coin is in great shape, and that's the most important thing. Rather than the actual packaging. There's a certificate of authenticity. A very nice piece here. This is one of the very few Platinum Eagles proofs that aren't a part of a series. It just is what it is. It has its own unique design for the reverse of the piece, showcasing an eagle. There sits perched upon a heraldic shield surrounded by symbols that represent America's strength and bounty. And part of that bounty, you will see, is the cornucopia. Very cool. First time, I think, being used on a U.S. coin, as well as grapes. Very cool. So, one talent appears to be holding the olive branch, and the other one holding on to the cornucopia with, appears to be wheat. Maybe that's a maple leaf, I'm not sure. And then grapes. Pretty cool. 1 ounce fine platinum. 3 9s and a 5 fine platinum. Very nice indeed. Very cool. And then we have the recognized obverse of the Statue of Liberty there. Very, very nice indeed. Portrait of Lady Liberty there. Fascinating indeed. John Mercanti is who sculpted this version. Famed sculptor and engraver of the United States Mint. And now the Perth Mint with the wedge-tailed eagles. 1 ounce platinum proof. This is a very special piece. And I wanted to pick this thing up. It does have quite a premium to it. It's one of the key dates for the Proof Platinum Eagles. I think 2015 have surpassed that with a much lower mintage, and it's reflected in the price. But this one still is pricey. I did get it actually. What I found was a really good deal for it. Not a great deal, but a good enough deal for sure. Considering this is ungraded, most of these you do find graded. And there is a potential that this could possibly capture a 70. Not that I'm interested in that at all. I like the original. I'm down with OGP. Keep it all there. So there it is. So pleased to add this to the collection. Platinum. It's quite a steal now with its price points. Although this was not a purchase for weight. This was a purchase because of what it is. So there it is. Platinum proof coin here. Post your thoughts below what you think of this coin. Pleased to add it to the stack. Indeed, 1 ounce proof platinum. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.